Hello from AlphaCars, from our new Acton showroom. We have new inventory that just arrived. This is 2012 Mercedes CLS550 with the AMG Sport package, an amazing set of additional options and packages. This is an unbelievable car to drive. I just had it on the road. With 402 horsepower engine, this car is so smooth to drive. It actually also gets 25 miles per gallon on the highway. And depending how you drive it, you can get even a better fuel efficiency. So let's have a closer look at this automobile. With the AMG Sport package, you have a phenomenal styling, and this lunar blue metallic color shows it so beautifully. We have, while we are looking at the wheels and tires, we will mention that the tires are at 90%. They were very recent Pirelli P0 Narrow. It's an excellent all-season tire, and recent also all brakes, front and rear. We are going around the vehicle. It's a 4Matic CLS550 with an almond mocha, beautiful leather with lunar blue, a classic Mercedes-Benz classic color combination. Leather and wood are in amazing condition. Let's have a little bit closer look at the interior detail. Tastefully designed and implemented by Mercedes. I have the keys in my hand. We're gonna lower the window. Start the car. It has a keyless start, so you have a key in your hand. Push the button, and then we lower the window. And this is a pillarless design, so when you get in and out, look at this, the door is just so easy to close and open, and you don't have a frame here. HID, high intensity discharge, otherwise known as xenon lights. Minimal to no imperfections, exceptional condition. This car has a premium package, which includes rear view camera, heated and active ventilated front seats. Also has a power rear window shade right there. Full LED lighting and active curb illumination. Also it has an electronic trunk closer and the keyless go system, which I mentioned earlier. This car is also equipped with a lane tracking and a blind spot assist, which are those little triangulars that turn red when you're about to change the lane and if there is a vehicle in your blind zone. And this also has, in addition to AMG styling, this one has a wheel package which includes AMG wheels, double spoke AMG wheels. It also, the Sport package includes the steering wheel with the shifting controls for the transmission, and the steering wheel itself is an AMG style smaller sport steering wheel. You can see additional details about vehicle availability and pricing on our website, alphacars.com. Thank you very much for viewing this video.